In this video, I will be showing you how to create cover books in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I'll head over to the Canva homepage and click on the Custom Size button. I'm going to select 8.5 by 11 inches from my recent designs to open up a fresh blank canvas. Once the editor loads, I'll navigate to the Elements tab on the left-hand sidebar and search for mental health to find a relevant graphic for the cover. I'll scroll through the graphics until I find an illustration that fits the theme, like this silhouette with a vibrant floral brain. I'll click to add it to my page and then resize and center it to create a strong focal point. Next, I'll click on the background and open the color palette to add some depth. I'm looking for something soft but engaging, so I'll scroll down to the gradients and choose this light yellow and pink blend. Now, I'll add the title, Decoding the Brain. I want the font to be bold and modern, so I'll browse the font menu and select Horizon. I'll scale the text up and position it right under the main graphic. For the subtitle, I'm choosing a simpler, cleaner font to provide a nice contrast. I'll adjust the font size and the line spacing to make sure the description sits perfectly under the main title without looking cluttered. I'll take a moment here to fine-tune the placement of the head graphic and the text to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. To finish the layout, I'll go back to the Elements tab, grab a square shape, and drag it to the bottom of the page to create a footer bar. I'll change its color to a matching gradient so it feels cohesive with the rest of the design. Finally, I'll add the author's name. I'll use a clean font and increase the letter spacing significantly to give it a more professional high-end feel. After making a few final adjustments to the spacing and overall balance, my book cover is complete.